Do you want to know how to fix a broken relationship with your boyfriend in just 16 steps? So let's begin. 1. Do you love your boyfriend? Firstly, ask yourself if you are only staying together out of habit. This may seem hard, but lots of couples stay in a relationship only to avoid the loneliness of being on their own. 2. Avoid dating other guys. If you are guilty of seeing another guy behind your boyfriend's back, then you need to stop seeing him right now. If he hasn't found out, but has suspicions, then you are at great risk of losing everything. 3. Is he making distant? Is your boyfriend distancing himself from you? Does he make excuses not to see you? Or if you are living together, does he frequently stay out late? It's possible that he may be seeing another woman. Don't confront him about it straight away. 4. Is he seeing someone else? If you want to know how to fix a broken relationship with your boyfriend, and you find out that he is seeing another woman, you have to decide what is missing in your relationship. The most common reason that men look elsewhere is that something is missing, and they have found it with another woman. 5. Make time for dating each other. If you are living together and have stopped going out on regular dates with each other, then you need to fix that now. Get tickets to see his favorite band, or treat him to a romantic meal in an intimate candlelit restaurant. Take up a new hobby that you both enjoy, such as learning the tango or salsa. There are sure to be dance classes somewhere in your area. 6. Learn to reconnect. Do you sit down and eat a proper meal together every day? I don't mean while watching your favorite soap or the latest episode of Mad Men. You need to switch off the TV and any other gadgets that take your attention, such as mobile phones or laptops. Get to know the perspective of your boyfriend. Get to know the perspective of your boyfriend regarding this relationship, and then take the decision. In your mindset, you have only your preference, then you think straight, and then you take the decision of what you think. 9. Make romance. If you not being intimate with one another can make your relationship less exciting. Therefore, you should open the doors of romance and make relationship connections strongly as well as physically. 10. Say thank you and love you to your boyfriend more often. If you want to make your boyfriend feel good, then start to say thank you and love you more often. These shows that you care about him. 11. Have fun together. Just have fun with your boyfriend and enjoy. You may go on long drive, date, and you also do intimate. It is your choice. Psychological research shows that partners how fun together, they have a long and strong relationship. 12. Be honest. Honesty is the key to building a strong base for a relationship. Be honest toward your boyfriend and tell him all the things that you like or do not like him, and say him to take steps to solve the problems that he is creating, and be honest about how much you like him. 13. Apologize. It is very hard to accept the blame if you are the cause of the problem in the relationship. Your boyfriend still cares about you after the relationship is not going well, but is your responsibility to accept your mistake and apologize for your heartbreaking mistakes. 14. Be positive. If you do anything in life, then you must be positive. In love, positivity, making lead role, just think positive, see positive, speak positively. Life is created to do enjoy with your partner without any negative thoughts. Always be positive about the result, because your relationship is not going well doesn't mean that he does not love you or you are the one at fault. Think of other good things that can happen when you fix your relationship with your boyfriend. 15. Let him go to get him back. Lastly, if your boyfriend has asked for time on his own to work things out, then give him that time. Don't plead or beg him to stay, as you will only drive him further away from you. Sometimes a clean break is needed if you want to save your relationship. Men don't always appreciate what they have until it's gone. If he loves you, then, after a short time on his own, he will start to miss you and want to get back with you again. 16. Go to the experts. If you tried the to save relationship the most, and your boyfriend also work hard to be in a relationship, but still doesn't work, then you must go to the experts and tell all your problem to experts, and experts give you the solution.